Hey guys! I'm so excited to explore the amazing world of tornadoes with you today. First things first, we need warm, moist air from the ground to meet cool, dry air up high. It's like when you mix hot and cold water in the bathtub, things start to get bubbly and swirly. Now here's where it gets really cool. The wind starts to play a game of Twister in the sky. Imagine you're spinning around with your arms out, and then you pull them in tight. Whoosh! You spin even faster, right? That's exactly what happens with the air to make a tornado. The wind spins faster and faster, like a giant merry-go-round in the clouds. And before you know it, a funnel cloud forms and reaches down to touch the ground. Boom! That's when we have a real tornado. Isn't that incredible?